on, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today, Julie and I have a whole bunch of plants they had thrown away. A store had them. They didn't want them no more. They looked like they were dying. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig a big trench through the yard. We're going to chop it up with the backhoe, plant all these plants in here, and we'll just see what grows. We can't lose anything because we really don't have anything in them. So we got grapes. We got green seedless grapes. We got raspberries, we got blueberries, some flowers, just a little bit of everything, but we're just going to see if they can grow. So let's get to digging up the ground, loosen it up. So we're going to go ahead and start planting these. What we'll do is we're going to plant these in the ground, and I loosened it up with the tractor there just so we can be able to dig in this stuff. We'll go ahead and plant these, and then we're going to bring some mulch down later, and we're going to hump them up with some mulch. These need water.
Yeah, it says, yeah, just plant them even with the top of the...
Well, I better go up a little bit, huh? So we got one row down there on the bottom. We're going to start another row here. We'll go out about as far as that. If you guys noticed up here, we planted some plants up there that people had given us that wanted to get rid of them. And we just let them grow and get big enough we can separate them, split them up. Spread out the rate. Okay, this is just a temporary fix to see if we can get any of them to grow. So we're going to water them really good, and then we'll come back and we'll put some of that mulch around them just to kind of maybe boost them a little bit. But we don't know if they'll grow or not. They were being thrown away, so why not give them a try? Give them a chance, a little chance anyhow. This ground is really nice and soft right now, and it'll soak in really quick. Hopefully in a week or so we'll see maybe something sprouting on them. Maybe, we'll see. Okay, we watered the plants twice. Went over them really good with some water, soaked them down really good. The only thing left we got to do is the mulch, and we're probably not going to do that today. We at least got them in the ground, and then we're going to come back and put some of that mulch around them. And really, hopefully that'll help feed them and get them perked up a little bit. If they even grow at all, we don't know. But we're not losing anything. They were free. Been having some issues here in the garden. I planted the cucumbers on the top raised bed, and about every morning I come out and all the cucumbers are dug out of the ground, and I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's digging them. I don't know what they're trying to get, whether it's like the minerals that was in the dirt that the cucumbers were planted in, or it's the night crawlers in the raised bed, because the raised bed is clear full of night crawlers. So I set the box trap last night, and I'm thinking it was a coon, and they've got all my cucumbers just about dead. I've been planting them again by seed and everything, and it's getting late in the year, so I don't know. It's getting really late, but I've set that box trap and it is off, and I see something here. Oh yeah, we got us a nice big fat coon. Check him out. Right there she be. I knew something. We can see you back in there. What you say, little buddy? Huh? How you doing? You like my cucumber bed, huh? Huh? Let's look in there. Look in there. Ooh, jumpy. These little guys are pretty aggressive. They're pretty aggressive little animals. Well, so it looks like we'll be relocating a coon. Hopefully they won't tear up my garden anymore. At least this one won't. I'll go up in the garden and I'll show you what they've been doing to my garden. And it looks like they've been on it. He was in it again. Something was, so I'm gonna say it was that coon. You can see the holes where they're digging. They just dig all through here. It's not as bad. It's not as bad today as it has been, but you can see I planted some new little cucumbers. Now there was some in here, but the other day they had this all dug up. We got one there, one there. These ones don't look good at all. We got one there, and this one here, there was two in there, but you can see this one's been nipped off. So we might not be doing any cucumbers this year. I don't know. We'll see. I did go pick up a couple. I went to Lowe's and just picked up some that were already growing, because obviously the seeds, it's just going to take too long for me to get them going. So I got a few plants. We'll probably put them in up there and see if we can get them going. And hopefully nothing else digs them out of the ground. The pepper plants are not doing good at all. I got 3 pepper plants here. This pepper plant ain't doing too bad. That one's not doing too bad, or that one. But look, this is what I got. All these pepper plants. This one looks like it's turning a lot greener. This one's still got a lot of yellow in it. These ones, they're yellow. They're a little green in the center, not much. Look at that thing. I don't even know if we could get anything off of some of them. It's been a bad year for us here for the garden. It's just not growing. I don't know what's going on. I know I had a little piss ants in there, nibbling on things, and it's just rough. The tomatoes look great though. All the tomato plants are looking really good. We need to get them tied up this weekend. That way they're up and going. I don't think we're going to have any issues with the tomatoes. So now we got to deal with relocating a coon. And Sophie's in her window. Hey Sophie, up here. Hey. She likes her flowers. She's pretty in the window with her flowers. Alright, let's go relocate a coon. I guess it's time to go, buddy. You ready to go? You don't like the camera. It's camera shy. You don't like the camera, do you? Alright, let's get him out of here. Now I chose this spot because this is a state game land, and this is all swamp ground out in here. A lot of marsh and that. There's tons of frogs, lots for that guy to eat, and not my chickens or my cucumber plants. I guess we'll go set that trap again, just to see if he has any brothers or sisters or aunts or uncles or anything else out there that's ready to eat my chickens and my cucumbers. Okay, we got us some free plants there. I'm not sure if they're going to grow or not, and I'm a little bit leery on putting the mulch down there because I'm not so sure they're going to grow, and I hate to waste all my mulch. So we might just leave them alone and keep them watered and see what happens. I mean, they were free, so we don't have a lot of money in them. We got a little bit of time in them, but you know, you got time and everything. So I know it's Friday and all, and I do appreciate you guys coming out and watching the video. I really do appreciate you guys watching the videos. I also appreciate you guys using my Amazon storefront in the description down below. That's been helping us out tremendously. We really appreciate that, all your support. And like I said before, you don't have to buy what I put in the storefront. All you have to do is go up in the search bar in the top and search for whatever you want, and we get a small commission off of qualifying purchases, which helps us out here at the homestead a lot. We really do appreciate that, and I'd like to tell everyone thank you for that. If you guys come back next week, starting Monday, the videos will start coming out where we're putting in our raised beds. We got 4 more raised beds going in. We're going to do 36-inch culvert pipe. This is actually, they're pretty cool because there's not a lot of work to them. Just got to level out the ground and fill them up. But I think it was a pretty cool video. So, coons. Yeah, coons. We got 1. I think we got more to come. Yeah, next week you'll see. We got some more coons coming. I don't know how many, and I'm not going to tell you, but we got some more coons coming. So, I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. You know what? I would really appreciate that thumbs up. If you would, thumbs up. Thank you guys. Till next time.